Welcome to BCS Overhead Door. Replacing a garage door spring can seem daunting, but it's a simple DIY project with the right information. Let's walk you through the steps to measure your spring. First, we need to identify the type of spring you have. There are two main types: torsion springs, located above the door, and extension springs, found on either side. Next, let's measure the windings. For torsion springs, simply count the coils. For extension springs, measure the total length, including the hooks. Now, we'll measure the wire diameter. Use a caliper or ruler to get an accurate measurement. Finally, we need to measure the inside diameter. For torsion springs, measure the center hole. For extension springs, measure the diameter of the spring itself. One last thing to note is the winding direction. Check if the spring winds clockwise or counterclockwise. This will ensure proper installation. With these measurements in hand, you can confidently purchase the right replacement spring. Remember, safety first. If you're unsure about any step, consult a professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Need more help? Visit our website for garage door tips.